Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the ZAINI'S Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be making a really huge burger that can feed 4 people. As you can see, it's in 4 plates. It is a one burger, guys. So if you want to see how I make this, keep watching. Okay guys, to start we need these buns that you see here. It's really huge, as you can see. So we'll need one of these. So for ingredient, we'll need minced meat about 200 gram, chopped onion, salt, garlic powder, and meat spice, chili powder, green chili, dhania, 2 eggs. This is a salad stuff. I have in this plate onion, some tomatoes, lettuce, and tomato sauce. And the lettuce have to be big like this. 4 slices of cheese. And also I'll need oil for fry. Okay, now bring your onion and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Why I'm adding salt? Salt is going to help me to soften the onion, because in this recipe I don't need too much liquid. The onion has too much liquid. So salt is going to just soften and I can easily remove the onion juice. We're going to set aside this for 10 minutes. Now we're going to bring a mixing bowl and add the minced meat. In here, we're going to add all the spice that I showed earlier. Okay, because it has been 10 minutes already, I'm going to bring my onion. I'm going to put my onion in the clean towel. Here, I'm going to squeeze all the onion juice out. Okay, as you can see, all the onion juice is out. I'm going to mix this with other ingredients. Okay, now we're going to give a good mix and then you have to leave it for 10 minutes to marinate. And don't forget to add your coriander on the end. Okay guys, now it's time to cook. As you can see, the buns, it's the same size as my pan. I'm gonna use the same pan to make a to measure the patty. So I'm gonna cook in the pat and in the pan. The patty have to be same size as this pan. So now what I'm doing, I'm placing my mince and press it down to make sure I come out with the same size as my buns, if that makes sense. Okay, now I'm just done cooking. It's small. I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. So to make sure when I place into the buns, it's gonna be covered everywhere. If I only gonna put one, it won't be enough. So now I'm done. I'm gonna just toast this bread. I cut it in the middle. I'm gonna toast it in both sides so that it can come out nice and crispy. Yeah. Okay, now that everything is ready, I'm gonna just put everything together to make my burger. Now I'm gonna put these lettuce on and some onion, tomato, and yeah, let's just do that. Ta-da! As you can see, it's done. So Lucy, how beautiful and full of goodness is this? Oh my goodness! So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut in 4 pieces to just save my family. You know what I mean? This is so amazing. You know, one burger for four people. It's just wonderful, guys. It's so wonderful. I really enjoyed this. So if you also enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video with the family and friends, and comment down below what you think about the video. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Enjoy.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.